Talk, say hello. Hello. Hello.
Boy.
I guess his claws don't work on touch.
Hello. You texting? Are you texting?
Hello.
Hello. No, don't go up my shoulder. No. Jake. Where are you going?
Oh, to the back of the couch.
Oh.
Hi.
Hi.
To the back of the couch.
Up, step up, step up, step up.
He says, I want to run around.
Don't eat my hair. You want to say hello? Hello. Hello. He scared me because I'm afraid he's going to peck me. Hello. What is that? What is that? What?
That's the alarm.
That's the alarm. What are you doing? Say, you want to talk? Say hello.
Hello.
Say goodbye. Whoa. He's getting too close for comfort. What? Peekaboo. Where's Jake? Where's Jake? Where's Jake? Peekaboo. Peekaboo.
Peekaboo.
Where's Jake? Where's Jake? Peekaboo. He scares me. I think he's gonna jump on my head. Hello.
Peekaboo.
Want to talk? Hello.
Hello.
Say goodbye.
Bye-bye.
Oh, bye-bye. Oh, no,
Oh,
don't
no,
bite it.
no.
No, don't bite it. Say bye-bye. Oh, he
Hello.
called my voicemail. Is he laughing at me? You're laughing at me. Oh.
You saw your glass.
Yeah, you see my glasses. You see the birdie in your glasses. What? I think he's... What? Where's Jake? Where's Jake? You sound like a chicken.
I can't let them out. What if they do something and
Are
jump
you
with
gonna
stuff?
bite me?
No. But he might touch you and play with your hair.
Let them out.
He ate my hair.
Hey.
Whoa! He's right there. Peekaboo! Hi, Jake. Hi, Jake. You're not gonna bite me, right? Hi.
He might make weird whispering noises near your ear.
Heebie-jeebies.
Who's that? That's Scatter.
He's offended.
Now he's going all crazy.
He's a dinosaur.
Oh, no. Yeah, he's getting wound up. Jake.
Can I have a sherblet?
Hey,
He's blowing snot air at
back
me.
off.
Okay, I said
Not you. You're
No,
okay.
I know.
You stay back.
What?
You wanna say hello? Hello.
Can you get
Say hello.
sherblet?
Say hello.
I'm not getting it.
Did I?
No.
You said you would earlier.
Hello. Hello. Peekaboo. Listen, you like the bow sound?
Ooh, that's interesting.
He's making. Hello. Hello.